Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the webpage. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to connect recruiters on LinkedIn, or how you can reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you practical ways. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first step you have to take, that you have to just go to your profile, your LinkedIn profile, and apply this frame, open to work frame, on your profile, so recruiter can reach out to you, and your LinkedIn suggest your profile to your recruiter. So just how can do this? Just click on your photo frame, go to the edit frame, and just click on open to work and apply. It will be apply. Okay, now you have to add the tag about, so use the hashtag for your profile, so people recruiter can reach out easily to you. So use the hashtag in talk about section. How can you use it? Go to the creator mode, just click on it, and after that you can use your topics here. So use up to 5 topics or hashtag to related to your profile, and it will be help you to come up or come into search when the recruiter search in LinkedIn candidate search. Okay, third thing you need to take care about skill. Okay, you have to add the skill, your related your job related skill. Here you can add from here. If you don't find option here, you can just come up here and go to the add profile section and click on core and click on add skills. So from here you can add skill up to uh, depends, let's see how much you can add it. So the LinkedIn will suggest you some skill, but you can also add by manually, and click save. The skill will be added. Now your other section you have to fill up everything, then on your profile now ready to come up to the search in recruiters. So now I'm going to give the one tips that you directly contact the recruiters. So go to the jobs here. Okay, and go to the job search, and search jobs here. Okay, just search job. So here I just search my desired job here, and I just click on alert. So I got the alert if some in a job come up in LinkedIn. So I got the alert for the job in the same location. So now you have to just search the jobs, your desired jobs, or your comfortable job. So I just select this one. Now what you have to do, you can apply or you can save the job, or now you can directly connect this company recruiter. How can connect it? Go to the company page, and here you have to go in peoples. Okay, so you will see the all peoples here who work with this company, and now you can find out peoples by location, city, and country. And here you can see this is people who's working with this company. So you have to find out the HR from this company. Okay, just find out HR or manager or any person who working with the same designation or same a level. So you can talk with him, you can connect with him, and you get some more information about job, and you will get some help from the manager or HR. Okay, so just find out HR. You can also search here people like title and keywords. You can also search by titles, like you can search like HR or human resource or recruiter. So you will get this person. So you can now after that you can connect it, you can send the mail or message. So the message format and email format you will get online, and you will use this here. Okay, you can use it here. So that is how you can connect the recruiter in LinkedIn. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.